How to zoom in or zoom out on Discord app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, simply move into your application Discord. Make sure it is up to date. Once you are inside the Discord app, enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Click on Allow. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on the home page of Discord. Once you're in this page, you need to click on You at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside the settings page, you need to scroll down and in the section of App Settings, head over to Appearance. In this page, you should see the option of Zoom in or Zoom out, or you'll get to see the feature like this. In order for you to zoom in, all you gotta do is tap on this white button and then swipe it to the right. And if you want to zoom out, all you gotta do is click on this white button again and swipe it to left. It will zoom out the font size. So this is simply how you can zoom in or zoom out on Discord. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.